In this video, I'd like to discuss what is the best time to practice Qigong. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. There are lots of different times that you can potentially practice Qigong, but what is the absolute best time to practice? Now, the answer is 4:34 a.m. in the morning. Okay, that's not true. There's actually no best time to practice. There are some ideal times to practice Qigong, but it's more dependent on your particular lifestyle and your schedule. So Qigong practice from this approach is all about gentle movements, deep breathing, positive visualization, and just getting your body into that state of flow. Now, if you can do that at any time throughout the day, then that's wonderful. You have a lot of options. But if you have a really busy, hectic morning, then maybe morning is not a good time for you to get into that flow state. If you're relaxed after work and you're home, your belly is full, everyone's all calm at home, and that's a good time for you to practice, then that's good. So it's most important to find a time that works for you and your lifestyle. But having said that, there are some key times that you do have a little bit of a stronger effect. So as you know, throughout the day we have yin and yang times. We start off, the nighttime is very yin, and as the sun starts to rise, that's when the beginning of the yang energy starts to rise. Then we get to the middle of the day at noon, that's the most yang energy we can have, and then the yin starts to appear and it starts to turn into night. And then we get to midnight, 12 o'clock midnight, and that's when we have the most yin energy. One strategy is if we want to increase our yang energy, we practice as the yang energy starts to rise. So we would want to do that when the sun is starting to rise. So that would be somewhere around 5 o'clock, 5:30, depending on the time of year and depending on where you live in the world. So I wasn't really all that far off when I said 4:34 a.m. So if you practice Qigong early in the morning, then you develop more of that warm, bright, vibrant energy. So if you practice as the yin energy starts to appear, and that's going to be around maybe 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, again, it depends on where you live in the world, then your Qigong practice will benefit your yin energy. So you'll create more yin energy, you'll have a deeper, peaceful, really, really sound sleep. So if you want to increase your yang energy, you can practice first thing in the morning. Wake up, put on your clothes, and start practicing. If you want to build your yin energy so you feel calm and still and peaceful, you can practice before going to bed. But in reality, we just need to practice whenever feels right for us. So if you have a break in the middle of the day, like you have lunchtime and no one's around, you have some peaceful time, that's a good time for you to practice. Go ahead. It's more important to just practice on a regular basis rather than to find the exact ideal time to practice. If you want to learn more about Qigong or really dive into the practice, please come join us in the community. Here we have many, many different types of videos, lots of different practices, and we're always adding to it. Please come join us. I think you'll find something that will appeal to you and that will be helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.